at you making sounds. Putting your head up so high. So hi, Grandma. Hi, Mima. Hi, Papa. Hi, Joe Pa. Hi, Grandma Kim. I'm sure that's what she's saying. Huh? You want this guy? This guy? You want your Sophie? Huh? Kiss her on the mouth? Oh. Woo! Tummy time is hard work. Woo! Tummy time is hard work. Here. Oh, my bad. Here. Here. Oh. Look at that. Look how tall you are. Got a little Dennis the Menace hair sticking up situation. Oh. Tummy time is hard work. It is. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. I'm here. I'm listening. Whoa. You want this? Huh? I should just let you do what you want. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Woo! You're okay. Take a rest.